Hello guys, and welcome back to my kitchen. If you are new here, you are welcome. My name is Beauty. Guys, in this video I'm going to be making Irish potatoes and beans porridge. So over here is my beans. So I soaked these beans since 10 o'clock this morning. It's about 3 o'clock now. So I'm going to be boiling these beans right away. While over here I have 4 large Irish potatoes. I have some scotch bonnet pepper, 1 onions. So I don't have the fresh tomatoes at hand, so I'm going to be using this canned tomatoes. So over here I have my crayfish, garlic and ginger. So over here I have 1 mango. I have some dried man crayfish here and some bay leaves. So I will be adding some yam to it later. So guys, let's get started. Our beans is ready. What I'm going to do is just to add some yam into it, like I said earlier. So while this one is cooking, we are going to peel our Irish potatoes. So I just peeling my Irish potatoes. Now what I'm going to do is just to cut it into the sizes which I want. So I'm going to leave it at this size. So I'm going to be adding my Irish potatoes. I'm going to add salt. Then allow it to simmer. In the next 5 minutes, then I'm going to start adding my other ingredients. So guys, I'm going to be adding my onions to it. I'm going to add my blended pepper to it. I want the Irish potatoes and the yam to soak the blended pepper. So I'm going to cover it. So this is my microfiche, the one I dried in one of my video. So what I'm going to do is just to, deboil it. This microfiche is there's still eyes in it. So I'm going to try to deboil it. Remove every bone inside. It's still a little high here, so I will be adding it that way. So guys, I will be adding 1 cube to it. And also I'm going to be adding my crayfish. Guys, I will be adding my deboiled microfiche right away. So delicious. I've never added my oil. It's already ready. In the next 2 minutes, I'm going to be adding my red palm oil to it. Guys, I want to scoop in some spoon of oil. So this is my oil. I want to scoop in some. This is 3 spoons, so I'm just going to, give it a stir to see if I will be needing more. I think it's okay. This 3 spoons is okay. I'm going to give it some minutes so that the oil can cook into it before adding my last ingredient, which is spinach. So I will be sprinkling some spinach into it. Guys, dinner is ready. Dinner is ready. Hope you guys are coming. Don't forget, my address is always at the description box. I just place it there now. So hurry over here. It's happen right away. Our Irish potatoes and yam porridge is ready. You can still see the Irish potatoes is still on top. It's ready. So we can work it together. This is the yam. So this is it, guys. Thank you also so much. And if this is your first time coming across my video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like, and also share. And the Lord God will bless you. Bye bye, and see you in my next video. Remain blessed, guys.